Hello friends, welcome in a video. Today we will discuss how to partition of hard disk. Without wasting your time, I will start. In this video I will show you the partition of F drive, right? First of all, we will press Window plus R and we type disk mgmt.msc. Okay, press enter. Here it will show the disk management, right? And you can check your drive. C drive 149.85 GB, new volume E 250 GB, and you can check your drive and here capacity, yani here your size. Okay, like you can check 149.85 GB, so here you can check your size 149 GB, 249 GB E drive, 249 and 250 GB E drive. Okay, so here your show the size and name of the drive in the disk management. So we want the partition of F drive. So here we click and we click the right click here and we click shrink volumes. Okay, shrink volumes, and here is the show the size of the F drive in the MB. Total size before shrink in MB 287864. Okay, and size of available shrink space in MB यानी कि that means 264831 size is available free. Okay, and enter the amount of space shrink in MB. So we want 5 GB shrink. So first of all we open the calculator. In 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. 1024 MB into, we want 5 GB into 5, that means 5120 MB. Okay, so we here type 5120 and shrink. Then we see here the 5 GB free space, that means this is 5 GB is part from F drive. Then we click here. Here is still only part of the F drive, not allocated this space. You cannot see here any kind of drive. Okay, so we click here disk management and we click right click here and new simple volume. Click on next. Maximum disk space in MB 5120, minimum disk space in MB 8, simple volume size in MB 5120. We click here next. Here we can give the letter of the drive. Suppose we want to make K drive. Okay, then we click here next. File system NTFS. Okay, allocation unit size default, volume label new volume. You can check, you can change your volume name label. So I will give new partition. Okay, click on next, finish. Then the 5 GB partition drive is available on this PC K drive. Here you can see the K drive of 5 GB space, 5.99 GB, and 276 GB will be reduced. First in the starting we check here and here the size of the F drive 281 GB. Now is 276. That means 281 minus 5, 276. Okay. So you can partition of your drive in system. Now we want to extend. Suppose this 5 GB is free in our system and we want to extend this space into with this F drive. Okay, so first of all we click here, delete volume, click on new partition drive, then right click, delete volume. Here the pop-up show deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Backup any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? Yes, because this space is free. Now you can check here, the drive will disappear, K drive will disappear. Okay, now we want to merge this free space with this F drive. So we click on F drive because we want extend this F drive. So we click here and then right click, extend volume. Okay, next here show 5120 because 5120 is a free space. We click on next, finish. Then you can check here the 5 GB space with extend with the F drive. You can check this PC again, 281 GB. Okay, so again this 5 GB will merge with this F drive. So in this video you learn how to partition of the hard disk and how can we merge the free space with the existing drive. I hope you learn in this video how to partition of your hard disk. Thank you so much.